November 2020 Morning Murli from Bab Dada Madhuban. Today Baba said lot many things about the five vices. Also Baba said you were prince and then become beggar. Now again you are going to become prince. Let us hear Baba's Mahavakya. Sweet children, in order to lighten your burden of sins, be faithful and honest in writing the history of your past actions. Give it to the Father, and you will then be forgiven. Today's question: which seed you children cannot sow at the confluent age? Answer: the seed of body consciousness. It is from this seed that the whole tree of vices grows. At present, the tree of these five vices has grown over the whole world. Everyone continues to sow the seeds of lust and anger. The Father's directions to you are: children, become pure through the power of yoga. Stop sowing that seed. Today's song: having attended you, we have attended the world. तुम्हें पाके हमने जहां पा लिया. Om Shanti. You sweetest spiritual children heard the song. At present, there are few of you. People of all religions will definitely accept me. Baba has explained that physical father are also limited Brahmas because genealogical tree have formed through those two. A genealogical tree continues based on the surname. Those are limited fathers. This one Brahma is unlimited father. Baba said even Muslims remembers Adam and Bibi. Even Christians remembers Adam and Eve, Adi Devi and Adi Dev. They all are referring to Prajapita Brahma. All religions will believe in him. Truly, there is a limited Father, and the others is the unlimited Father. That unlimited Father is the one who gives unlimited happiness. You have come here to attain your inheritance of unlimited happiness from the unlimited Father. It can also be said that there is a unlimited happiness in heaven and there is unlimited sorrow in hell. Baba said, you children understand that by studying, we are changing from ordinary humans into deities, from thorns into flower. The Father is the boatman as well as gardener. We go very far, far, far away from the vices. Among Brahmins, it is a very big criminal assault for a brother and sister to indulge in vices. This is why Baba says, tell me all the dirty acts you have performed from childhood, and half will be then forgiven. Baba said, you do remember at what time you performed dirty acts, do you not? Write them down and give it to Baba. Those who are very faithful and honest will write, Baba, I perform these bad acts. Please forgive me. The Father says, you cannot be forgiven. However, because you have told the truth to me, your burden will be lightened. You are warned not to perform any such acts in the future. Baba says there is the world of happiness and there is the world of sorrow. In the land of sorrow, everyone calls out to be liberated, and to be taken home. You children also understand that you are not going to go and sit at home, but that you have to come down and play your parts again. At present, the whole world is impure. You are now being made pure by the Father. The aim and objective is also in front of you. Baba says, you were worthy of worship and have now become worshippers. Effort is required in order to become worthy of worship again. The karmatic stage will be achieved when it's time for the war. Everyone has to make effort. Baba says he is the only one whom everyone remembers. They say, O Supreme Father, Supreme Soul, come and liberate us from sorrow. Brahma Baba also becomes an angel. He says, I was not worth a penny, and the same applies to you. I am now becoming worth a pound, and the same applies to you. Baba says, earlier each one had to take a photo like that. This aspect has to be explained that on one side they are simple and on the other side they are double crowned. You understand that you are becoming that. Only those whose lines are clear will become that. At present, the seeds of lust and anger have increased so much in human beings. The tree of the five vices has emerged in all of them. Father says, do not sow such seeds now. You should not sow the seed of any body consciousness at the confluence age. You must not sow the seeds of Baba says the main theme is Man Mana Bhava. Father says, remember me. Shiv Baba is father of all. Look at the difference between devotion and knowledge. The Father explains to you, if you want to go to heaven, imbibe divine virtues. You are now like thorns. They continue to sing, I am without virtue. However, there are the defects of the five vices in the kingdom of Ravan. You now receive such a good knowledge. Father says, I am now giving you this knowledge and it will then disappear. When you have attained your royal status in the golden age, this knowledge will not exist. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, and Bap Dada. The spiritual father says, Namaste to the spiritual children, and spiritual children also says, Namaste to the spiritual father. Essence for Dharna. First point. Always have the awareness that you are now Brahmins. Therefore, stay very far away from the vices. Never let there be criminal assault. Remain very honest and faithful to the Father. Second, in order to become double crowned kings, become very sweet and keep the line of your intellects clear. Do the tapasya of Raj Yoga. Today's special blessing from Bap Dada. May you forget the old world by having godly intoxication and become filled with all the attainments. The explanation is just as the other intoxication makes you forget everything, in the same way, godly intoxication makes you easily forget the world of sorrow. that intoxication causes a lot of damage and you can even kill yourself by drinking too much, whereas this intoxication makes you imperishable. Those who remains constantly intoxicated with godly intoxication becomes filled with all attainments. The awareness of belonging to one Father and none other increases your intoxication. Your power is increased with this awareness. Today's slogan: instead of copying one another, copy the Supreme Father. Copy the Supreme Father. Om Shanti.